Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Noma. So today I'm out with colleagues. Yeah, my colleagues are here. we, came out. So after here, I hope to go to a store where I would like to pick some things for lunch for the week. Today is Sunday actually. So I hope to take you guys along. Let's go and get some things that we'll use for the week. Say hi, Chidima. This is Chidima. The other one is Tenny.
Not tennis, Tenny.
Tenny, say hi. So guys, you won't be seeing more of my face because I'll be holding the phone with my hand. So I'll still show you guys everything, okay? I forgot to show you guys what I got from the store, and I've already unpacked some of the things, but I will still show you guys maybe much later. So here in the nylon, I got mine. container, food storage container. Yeah, I got it. Okay, so I saw this plastic cup and I liked it. I still like it, so I decided to buy it. Okay, yep. Some other things. I got my oatmeal. Okay. So next I got some of these things here. I got apples, grapes, cucumber, and some of these other sachets. Okay, this is my Hollandia yogurt. This is my exotic juice. I also got banana, as you can see already. Okay. Good morning, guys. So I just finished washing these. I'll be making use of these ones today. I'm not really going to show you people how I'm going to cut it because I'm rushing. It's currently 6 a.m. in the morning and I need to be at work by 7. So I'll do that off camera, and maybe when I get to work, I show you people how my plate looks like. Okay, so I won't be cutting it while you're watching. I'll cut it, do everything. I'll probably show you guys at work. Okay? All right. Yeah, I'm just trying to wash the chicken, and after which I'll have it seasoned and then prepare it just the way I want it. Yeah. I didn't show you people this bag. I also got this bag. Yeah. So this is how the lunch bag looks like. Let's see the inside. This is what we have inside. My drink, my water, the cup I already showed you people, and of course my fruit. So in here I have my cucumber, my grape, my apple, my banana, and my chicken. Yes, this is what we'll have for today. So guys, tomorrow's lunch we'll be having jollof rice. So I'm going to be using these pieces of chicken. So I'm about okay, I'll season it, you know, do all those good stuff that I'm supposed to do, and then get it ready. I'll show you guys what I'm done, okay? And then when the food is ready, I'll also show you guys. Okay. Okay. So you add salt to taste. Good morning, guys. So today we have I'll be making oatmeal. Oh, this one is not open. Oatmeal. Yeah, I use this one. This one. This one. This one. So we'll make oatmeal today. Yeah, that's what we have for lunch rather. That's what we have for lunch today. So we'll be taking it with pear. So I'll just cut it, slice them and put on them. Okay? I'll show you guys when I'm done with everything. Alright? So I'm adding my milk to it. I'm using pig milk, the powdered one. That is what I'm using. I think it's enough. So guys, this is a final look. We have this, and then we'll be using this honey. I'm already running out of honey, but yeah, we can manage it. So this is our lunch for today.